Hello everyone, and welcome back to another 100 Days of Making Comics with me, Zabethy. Today is day 28, and I am partially joined by my rambunctious pupper, Teddy. Today's been a pretty good day. I've got some thumbnailing done for the cover of my comic. So today I did this thing called Studio Synergy with Peter Palmiotti and Ben Jones, which was enjoyable. It was a good talk. I was silent a lot because I can't help myself. Yeah, it was good fun. It was nice talking to other creatives doing creative things and seeing what they thought and where everything lined up. Throughout this video today, you'll probably hear my dog crying, so I'm gonna cut it as short as possible. Today I checked the tables at the con I was going to go to with my friend, and sadly they only had 2 tables left, and while I could technically afford it, they were merch tables, and merch tables hold way more stuff than I could ever provide. Sadly, both my friend and I decided to dip out of that. I'm still going to create things for cons, and I think I'll be creating quite a bit up until the market/con season, but I won't be at the con, which is I felt really bad about it for a little while. I tried not to let it get to me too terribly much, because it would have been my first con as a person selling things, and I know that while the overhead isn't as steep as it could be, I don't have enough merch to make a table look appealing if it is that size. Like, vendor tables tend to be like really big. They fit like so many t-shirts and stuffed animals and pillows and buttons and just way more than I could handle in a con as a person selling. And then I had this feeling today where I constantly feel like I'm years behind everyone. So I started my art journey pretty late. I've talked about that briefly. I passively did art my entire life. I think almost everybody has passively done art at one time or another. But just getting into doing art, making comics, making finished pieces, starting things up on YouTube, realizing I'm going to have to start things up on social media in general, and I'm terrible at it. I got caught up in this feeling of I am so behind. I don't even know where to start. Like, everything on the list of things that I'm going to have to do to make a presence online feels monstrous. Like, when you say it out loud, it sounds like something that you're going to be able to tackle. Like, oh, sure, I'll just update Twitter, and I'll update Instagram, and I'll update Facebook, and I'll update my YouTube, and then I'll be done. And then you don't think about all the prepping and all the time that goes into each one of those things, like curating and making sure that you have engagement with your audience. One of the things I'm finding quite difficult currently is just getting back to the 10 people who leave comments down below. And I do respond. It usually takes me about a week. I'm hoping some of my schedule changes in the near future are going to assist with this. But until then, it means that, on my Saturday, your Friday, you might be spammed with 5 replies. Yeah, they are very much appreciated, and I do love seeing comments, and I love hearing what people think, and I love having a conversation based off of them with you guys or in the video afterwards. But yeah, I thought a lot about this today, and I know that everybody who thinks about this eventually comes to this conclusion. There's no reason to freak out. There will always be someone ahead of you. Like, even if you are the person who invented X, somebody else is going to get ahead of you in Y. It's the nature of the game. It's the nature of being human. It's the nature of existing. There will always be something before. So, with that being thought about and that being said, I am going to just come at my art with ferocity. I plan on attacking everything that comes towards me as an opportunity. I plan on drawing until my hand is sore and take a break. I plan on tackling my future head on, and that includes the social media stuff, which I sometimes absolutely hate doing. I'm pretty sure my sister does it for a living. Oh. Social media is hard, guys, especially for those of us who constantly put our feet in our mouth. So yeah, here's some music, and as I was told yesterday in one of my videos by Peter Palmiotti, I'm going to start putting the artist down below, because while linking to where I got it from will save me from copyright issues, people like to know what I'm listening to. So yeah.
For a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, sleeping through the edges of my soul.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, maybe even subscribe. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, night, or morning, wherever you are, whatever time it is, whenever you're watching this. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.